Welcome to English Word Hub. In today's video, we'll learn some useful English words you'll often hear or see when you travel, at airports, hotels, restaurants, and other public places. These words will help you feel more confident. Let's get started. Luggage bay. A compartment in buses or trains to store luggage. Example, place your large bags in the luggage bay before boarding. Cloakroom. A place where people can temporarily leave their coats, bags, or luggage, especially in public places like hotels, theaters, or stations. Example: I left my suitcase in the cloakroom at the train station. Escalator. A moving staircase that carries people between floors. Example: we took the escalator to reach the food court on the top floor. Lift, British, elevator, American. A lift used to move between floors. Example: the elevator was crowded during checkout time. Pantry. A small room or area where food, beverages, or kitchen supplies are stored. Example: the train's pantry car serves tea and snacks. Trolley. A small cart used to carry luggage or food. Example: she pushed her bags on a luggage trolley at the airport. Kiosk. A small booth or stand offering services like tickets, snacks, or information. Example: you can buy metro cards from the kiosk near the entrance. Corridor. A long passage in a building or train with doors to rooms on either side. Example: the conference room is at the end of the corridor. Lost and found. A place where lost items are kept until claimed by the owner. Example: he went to the lost and found to check if someone had returned his wallet. Canopy. A roof-like structure providing shade or shelter. Example: they waited under the canopy outside the hotel for the rain to stop. Complimentary. Provided free of charge, often used in hotels or flights. Example: guests receive a complimentary breakfast with their stay. Overhead bin. The storage space above airplane seats for carry-on luggage. Example: please place your bag in the overhead bin. Departure gate. The area in an airport where passengers board their flight. Example: our departure gate changed from B12 to C7. Waiting area. A space where people sit and wait, often in stations, clinics, or offices. Example: there were magazines in the waiting area to pass the time. Bellboy porter. A hotel staff member who carries luggage. Example: the bellboy helped us carry the bags to our room. Carriage coach. A section of a train where passengers sit. Example: our seats are in carriage D, near the pantry. Concierge. A hotel staff member who assists guests with services like booking taxis, tickets, or reservations. Example: the concierge arranged a city tour for us. Bell desk. The hotel counter where bellboys assist with luggage and guest services. Example: she asked the bell desk to bring her luggage down. Foyer. A large open area near the entrance of a hotel, theater, or building. Example: guests gathered in the foyer before entering the hall. Token. Meaning, a small coin-like item used instead of cash, especially for entry or travel. Example: she used a metro token to enter the subway station. Great job! Now you know some of the most commonly used English words for travel and public places. Practice using them and you'll sound more natural and confident wherever you go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Word Hub for more helpful videos. See you in the next video.